Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for today. So if you were listening in the Telegram channel, I have exited my long position on Bitcoin, and we will now wait for structure. So link to the Telegram channel is in the description below if you haven't joined. So what my fear is here is we have consolidation or a left shoulder, we have a massive head and consolidation or a right shoulder. And we have kind of broken through this trend line as well. You can see we sort of closed below it on the daily. That to me is a sign that we are more than likely going to be moving to the downside. Now, bear in mind that there's a lot of noise coming out of China at the moment, and that noise is really about clamping down on Bitcoins. So it's not something that I think you should be chasing at the moment. We need to wait for that noise to clear. So I suspect we have another move to the downside, to be honest. The key area we need to pay attention to at the moment is going to be 30,350. If that gives way, I suspect we will at least get a measured move of this here. And I think that's quite frightening, to be honest, because that takes us all the way down to 11,000. And if you look to the left, kind of no man's land. So anyway, that's kind of the structure that we see. What could happen if we just get the 4 hour, what could happen is we could bounce off this. Does look like it's trying to, and then move back to the upside. So the confusing part here is we did form higher highs, and at the moment, if I just use this bar, sort of a double bottom at the moment. Nice grouping of the oscillators as well. So yeah, I think for me, just waiting to see what transpires. Exited with a small loss, but nothing too serious. We'll be able to recover from that. So for me, I'm kind of just waiting to see what's going to transpire here. Don't like the noise that we have in the market right now. And if you look at, we were looking good, looking like we were testing, and then fell off. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment, and not looking healthy on the hour either. If you look at these oscillators starting to point to the upside, so everything's pointing to rejecting this area somehow and dropping further. Before we sign off, just want to double check to the right here. We do have another area which could offer some support there and there. So if I come to the daily, okay, so ultimately what could happen is drop down, find 29,400, or alternatively 27,422, find some support there before bouncing back to the upside again. And this is the key level right now. 4,100 needs to go. If we can get above 4,100 and stay above it, then that's a good opportunity. So at the moment we are range bound, but I'm not really interested in trading ranges. Not the longer they go on like this, the higher the probability is going to continue. So wait and see. Anyway, that's my view today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.